In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Hostinger and fix the domain not connected message. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to change, and how to confirm everything is working. Start by signing into your Hostinger account and opening the website section. This is where you'll see all your projects at a glance. Look for the site that shows the domain not connected message. That alert is simply telling you that your domain's DNS isn't pointing to Hostinger yet, so the website can't load from your hosting. Next to that message, click Check Guide. This button is your shortcut to the exact connection instructions for your setup. Hostinger will show you what needs to be updated, either by switching your domain's name servers to Hostinger's, or by adding specific DNS records like A and C name at your domain registrar. Read this page carefully and decide which method you want to use. In most cases, using Hostinger's name servers is the simplest path because Hostinger will then manage your DNS automatically. If you prefer to keep DNS where your domain is registered, follow the DNS records method instead. Choose one method and stick with it to avoid conflicts. Now update your domain at your registrar. Open your registrar's dashboard, find the domain's DNS or name server settings, and make the changes shown in Hostinger's guide. If you select name servers, replace the current ones with the Hostinger values exactly as provided. If you choose DNS records, add the A record pointing to the Hostinger server IP and the CNAME records as instructed. Remove any old A or CNAME records that point elsewhere so there's no confusion. Do not change email-related records like MX unless the guide tells you to. Some setups require domain verification. If Hostinger asks for it, complete the verification step shown on screen. This might involve adding a TXT record at your registrar or confirming ownership through a prompt in your panel. Once verified, Hostinger can finish linking the domain. DNS changes aren't instant. Give it time to propagate across the internet. This can be as quick as 30 minutes, but it may take up to 24 to 48 hours in some regions. After waiting, test your site again by visiting your domain in a fresh browser window. If it doesn't load yet, clear your browser cache and check again after a bit more time. That's it. Follow the guide in your Hostinger panel, make the correct update at your registrar, verify if prompted, then allow for propagation and test your site.